Hello all. Today I am going to talk about what are open source s- uh, like a site to download actual ET data. So I think you maybe know how what is application of actual data ET data in agriculture field. So we can use actual ET for drought analysis and validating like crop model if you don't have actual ET data for a particular site. So still you can use open source ET data. Yes. And for if you are doing hydrological modeling at basin scale or watershed scale, so you can use actual ET data to validate your model in case you don't have runoff, so and soil moisture, so you can use actual ET data to validate your model. And even you have runoff, you can if you validate your model with actual data, so that is very good. like uh, because if your model give a very good prediction of ETA, so you can use this model for different purposes. In short, you can use that model for drought analysis. What is impact of drought on crop production? You can simulate in the short model. So let's start. So just search NASA appears. So before downloading the data, you need to create the ID. So I have already ID, so I don't need to create the ID. So for example, if you want to download the data for any region, it depends on you. You want to need data for a specific point or for a specific region. So if you want to do like if you want to download data for large region, you can select area. So area, and just click here and give any name just for example, just anonymous. Okay, so you need to select the time period. Okay, and you can create any polygon or rectangular block. So for selection of area, so for example, if you want to download data for this region, so just create one polygon. Okay, select the data, which source of data you want. For example, if you want MODIS ET, so you can select MODIS ETA. So you can see MODIS ET. Where is, yeah, here MODIS ET. There are two MODIS ET, Terra MODIS ET and Aqua MODIS ET. So you can select one of them. It is available at 500 meter and 8 days. It is cumulative ETA of 8 days. So you can download from this source, and other source is EcoStress. EcoStress. So EcoStress, you can see in EcoStress also there are two sources from Presti Taylor method, and other is uh, Presti Taylor model give the output at 70 meters, so it's very fine scale compared to MODI-CT. So you can use this data at field scale if you want to calibrate your crop model even. And EcoStress also give a person stress index if you want to like predict drought or analyze drought. So you can use this evaporative stress index, and it also give water use efficiency. So you can download this, and EcoStress also provide actuality data using this LXC model that is very uh, reliable model compared to Presti-Taylor model, and it is recognized very well by various researcher. So you can use this. This is very reliable data. So I also used this data to calibrate our model in case you don't have actual ET data, because you know actual measuring actual ET data is a very difficult task. You need whether you can use lysimeter, that is very costly, or you can use eddy covariance method, so that is very costly. So you can, in case you don't have these sources, so you can use these sources like MODIS ET, EcoStress ET, according to your convenience. So you can use